CATIA V5. This will be regarding vibration volume. So this feature is available under the Digital Mockup Optimizer workbench. And let's take a look a little bit at the functionality of this. So I will open the following PDF file. And as we can see, this tool can be used to calculate the dynamic envelope of either a part or a group of parts with respect to a position. And we can input that using multiple file formats. So we have the ADMS file, and we also have a VDA file format. Or within CATIA, we can also use a fitting track. Now, the main advantage of using this dynamic envelope is that we can also input it as an ASCII position file. And the main advantage is that the output will be saved as a CGRR, WRL, or a CATIA either V5 or V4 model, or an STL. So again, this will be a polygonal mesh. Now, regarding the first file format, so the Adams file, we're going to see that this will contain a set of transformations. So for example, if we're going to have this will be the absolute position for X, Y, and Z, the first three. And afterwards, we're going to have the alpha, beta, and gamma, which will be the Euler angles in degrees. Now, I have over here this engine assembly. And if I will perform a vibrational volume for this, I can do the selection. I will select, in this case, the engine assembly. And for the position, we can either input a file or a track. So currently I don't have any tracks. Those are a set of animations that we can define in CATIA. Therefore, I will browse over here. And I've prepared over here 5 position reference points. So the accuracy, I will set this to 10 millimeters, and I can hit preview. And we just see that 3D model of the volume, in this case the vibrational volume, with inputs to those 4 position points. And as we can see over here, the model will be slightly shifted. So over here we see on our original model that we don't have any overlapping elements. So this is quite, let's say, squarish. It has a rectangular shape. I currently have transparency added over here. But if I will swap this to be, let's say, shaded, maybe this will be a little bit more visible. So we see that over here we have a perfect corner. While for the model that will take into account the vibration volume, we're going to see that this will be slightly overlapped. So in some cases, let's say the model will be positioned over here, and with those vibrations added, it will shift into various areas. So maybe the case study for the engine assembly is not that great for this, but we see that we can input that movement using a file format. And this is a useful tool for various case studies, where we also want to take into account the vibration of an assembly, of a product, while it's working. Okay, so I hope that you find this kind of content useful. I will position a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.